Hello friends, today I want to share my experience and I want to learn you how to create infinite zoom video with ComfyUI. It's very easy and it's very fun, and you can see that you can change the scene and it can transfer from one space to another space and different interior styles or exterior styles, as you see in this sample. For example, now in the outside of the building and or in a desert or in a galaxy. Okay, so you can do all of these adjustments in your ComfyUI, and it's very easy and fun. Okay, let's do that. Again, I prefer to start from zero. Before that, please go to the manager, install custom nodes, and make sure that you have installed this extension, ComfyUI Impact Pack. This is very, very useful from Dr. LT Data. But in this extension, there is a node with the name of image sender and also image receiver. We need that ability. It's very unique and it's very useful. Okay, so let me start. At first, I am starting with creating efficiency loader and also the efficiency node sampling, because it's very easy to work with them. Model to model, positive, negative, latent, VAE, and it's all. I'm selecting realistic vision version 3, and I need some negative and positive prompt. You can write your prompt, and now I have some prompt and I'm doing copy paste. You can write any prompt that you like. Okay, so now I have my prompts. I have connected the efficiency sampler, and from the image I will add a node with the name of sender, image sender. Okay, and also don't forget that you have to enable the preview image. Also, it's very important. Adjust your resolution 768 in 768 and cue the prompt. So this is the first image that is generated. It's in a galaxy. It can be inside a home or a city. Everything is possible, and you can work with them. Okay, so here I want to start with galaxy, and after that I will go, for example, inside a home or inside the jungle. Everything is possible. Okay, now I have to add some other parameters. This is the image sender, so I need an image receiver. This is the node, and I have this time, please pay attention to the numbers and also the resolutions that I am using. I want to scale down this image to 512 in 512, and also the crop is disabled. Okay, after that I want to send the image to the pad, in-paint pad, image pad for in-painting, for out-painting. This node is very, very useful, and also it's very new, so make sure that you have updated your ComfyUI. I will connect the image to image, and it will add some extra space to your image. Okay, we can write the extra space that we need. The unit of this number is pixel. So from each side, it should add 256. Let me move these 3 nodes here. Okay, and here I have the image and also I have the mask. Now I need a ControlNet, the ControlNet for inpainting. The inpainting ControlNet do inpainting and also the outpainting, both of them. So I will add ControlNet. Here I can load my ControlNet inpainting. Okay. And also I need inpainting preprocessor, inpaint preprocessor. And we have connected to the image. It needs 2 input. One of them is image and one of them is mask. So the data for the inpaint preprocessor is coming from the pad image for outpainting. It's very useful and important. I want to try to explain all the process to you. Okay. And when you are using a ControlNet, you have to connect the conditioning to the conditioning of the ControlNet, and after that, the ControlNet should connect to the positive. But also, we have to send the image after that is coming out from pad image for outpainting to the latent. So I need a VAE decoder. It needs a VAE, and also I should add a noise set latent noise mask. Also, I need that. So the latent go to the sample and the mask should connect to the mask. Now I can connect the latent to the latent image. Okay, so this is the correct workflow. We have a loader here with our prompt. Here is the sampler, image sender. The image is coming here, going to the upscale, pad image, after that ControlNet, and it's coming into the sampler again. Okay, so let me queue prompt. And you can see the result here. Okay, excuse me. I think the image that was in my temp was not fine. So maybe it will be happen for you. So again, I will connect the conditioning to the conditioning and latent to latent, and again, queue prompt. Okay. Okay, it's very important to see the image in image receiver node. Now we can see that, and again, I'm connecting the set latent noise to the latent image and the conditioning to the positive. And now press Q prompt. Okay, you can see the previous image in center, and you can see that it's trying to imagine the border of the image. And it's very useful. Also here, there is a parameter with the feathering. Maybe in this time, if you add the feathering with higher value, I think the border will be less. Let me test that. Yes, I think now the border is better. It is mixed with yes, the border is better. Okay, so each time that you are pressing the Q, the image that is processed go to the image sender, and after that, again, the image is coming to the image receiver. Okay, and if you press the extra option here, please pay attention to this part. And if you press automatically Q prompt, this option, after that, after pressing the queue will be continue for infinite time, and there is no limit on the processing. So you can see the process is done, and again the process is starting. So based on this prompt, it's trying to show you a galaxy every time, and you can see that. Okay, so while it's while it is processing our prompt with Galaxy, we have some ability to change the prompt. Here I have some prompts and I want to use them. Mm, For example, here it's about the exterior view. I replace the prompt, okay, and okay, now my prompt is going to be processed for the new image. Mhm. And you can see that it's trying to go inside the jungle. You can write your prompts and make a story for yourself. And it's very important for you because, for example, at first you can go to the space, and after that you can go to a mountain or desert or anything. But and the story will be very, very interesting. But in this video, actually, I don't have any imagination about a storyline, but I am sure that you have. And also, I will be very happy if you can share the result and also share the video with me. And yes, I like to see that. Uh, okay, okay, it's trying to process that. And one more time, let me change the prompt to I want to go to a building exterior. Okay, this is the landscape for a building, and let me see what will be happen. Mhm. Okay. Really, it's very interesting for me because changing the prompt and going from one scene to another scene, this transition is very interesting and it's very, very fun for me. Okay, let me change the prompt and this time go inside a building with living room, and let's see how it can go inside a building from exterior. Okay, we have this view. And after that, yes, now we are inside the building. It's a living room. Let me change the prompt, and this time go to a bedroom with luxury style. Mhm. It's traditional Arabian luxury style, and you can see that easily it add curtains, carpet, lighting, windows, everything. And one more time, let me change the prompt. Go to the outside. Okay. Mhm. Ah, really, it's very interesting. Okay, now we are in the outside, and one more time, let me change the environment. And this time I want to go to the bird's eye view. Okay, you can check the prompt. We can see the Earth with many plants, many planets. Mhm. Okay, I think it's enough, and let's go and create the video. For creating the video, I am using the Zoom Video Composer. I found these tools on the internet. You can download that as a zip file and extract the zip file. After that, this is the folder. you can't see this MP4. These are my files. This is the folder that you can see, and you should make a new folder here with the name of, for example, tote B, and I have to copy the generated image from ComfyUI to this folder. But unfortunately, I forgot to add the save node. Yes, I was forgot to add the save image node, and none of these images are not saved in my computer. Oh, I'm sorry for that. So don't forget to add the save node. But I can do the process with some of my old images, and I can show you. Okay. For example, I have these images. Mhm. Also, it's a zoom out. Okay. And now I want to make a movie from these images. Okay, let's see how I can do that. Let me also open the folder. Here is the folder of the Zoom Video Composer. Click on the address bar and write cmd. The command prompt is opening, and here we have to paste a command. Okay. In the website, you can see a sample. Okay, for example, you can copy and paste the sample here, but before pasting the sample, you should edit some of the parameters. Okay. For example, now the files are placed in another folder. The name was tote B. Okay. And I want to save the file with the name of tote b.mp4. The duration that I need maybe about 60 seconds. Okay. And it's going to out and in. Okay, so one time it's going to zoom out, and again it's going to zoom in. Only I need going out, and it has an effect with ease in and ease out. Okay, I need that, no problem. And you can also add some other command. For example, here it's better to add T. Okay, you can define your CPU threads. For example, for my computer, I'm using, for example, 22, and it will use 22 cores of my CPU. And every other things look fine for me. So copy this text from here, and in the CMD window, check the folder. Okay, paste the prompt and press enter. Okay, it's going to read all the images in your folder. We had 47, and now it is trying to create 1800 images. Now if I go to the temp folder, okay, you can see that it is trying to generate the image, and you can see, yes, And because we have selected the ease in and ease out, the start of the motion from in the starting of the video is slow, and in the middle the speed will be increased, and at the end of the video again we have the slow speed. Okay, so it should create all of these frames, and after that automatically it will create a mp4 file for you. One more time, I want to review the workflow. So don't forget to add the save image node. It's very important. We have the loader, we have the sampler, we have the image sender, we have the save image. Here is the image receiver. It's going to the upscale with these numbers. I'm suggesting to test this workflow exactly with these numbers. After that, maybe you can change the numbers, but at first, please pay attention to these numbers. Okay, we have the pad image. It's going to the in-paint preprocessor. We have the ControlNet, and we have loaded the in-paint ControlNet. They are going to the VAE encode and set latent noise mask. And after that, the set latent noise mask is connected to the latent image. Okay, it's all. I am placing all of my workflows on my Patreon page. Also, I will place this workflow, JSON file and PNG file in my Patreon page. If you want to support me, you can join my Patreon and also use these workflows. Be sure that your supports are helping me to continue this way and pay more attention to the new technologies in ComfyUI. So I will be appreciated if you join my Patreon page and also use these workflows. I have some great workflow. For example, the in-painting, this in-painting is great for architectural design, and you can check them. Okay. Let me check the process of the video. Okay. It extract all 1800 images, and now it's trying to write the mp4 file. Okay. The name of tot underline b.mp4. Okay, it's ready. Let me open the folder and play the file. Okay. You can see that it's coming out. It's going inside interior space. It's going inside the jungle. And bird eye view, a satellite view. Again, it's in a jungle with painting style. And now it's in a room. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. And until now, I answered all of the comments, and I will be happy to help you. Okay, until the next video. Bye.